TheSourxe Video 3, using preset arrays. In this video, we'll work with presets inside TheSourxe. Presets are powerful, pre-built manifestation arrays. Each preset includes 3 variants. These are structured symbolic architectures designed to organize vibrational flow. To begin, launch TheSourxe. Now click the Edit button. Select the preset array category. You'll notice that each preset includes 3 variants. These variants subtly adjust the geometry and energetic structure. Choose the preset that resonates with your intention. Then select one of the 3 variants. Now press Accept. The preset will load into the workspace. From here, you can use the preset exactly as it is, or you can customize it. As shown in the previous video, you can reposition symbols, adjust geometry, modify backgrounds, refine individual glyph settings. Presets are not rigid, they are structured starting points. When you are ready, press the Run button. Allow the session to complete. After running the session, you can click Save. This allows you to store the preset configuration in your personal library. You can call it back later, edit it, refine it, build upon it. These presets are powerful, they are intuitive, and they are fully customizable. That flexibility is part of the strength of TheSourxe.